Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to yet another video of the Football Mania. And today I am really dejected and heartbroken because we have lost a person who has been the soul of Indian football. Yes, my friends, I would like to, share my condolences and pay my tribute to, the sad demise of Mr. Novi Kapadia, who has been the voice of Indian football, who has inspired a generation of young Indian football fans. I actually started following Indian football not because of, the mesmerizing play by I.M. Vijayan or Bhaichung Bhutia. I was inspired to watch Indian football because of a book which Mr. Novi Kapadia had written a few years back called Barefoot to Boots: The Many Lives of Indian Football. This is a book in which he covers the yesteryears of Indian football, where the team performs, especially in the golden years between 1950 and 1962. Indian football went through a very big transition for so many years under the British rule, pre-independence era, and as well as the post-independence era. We saw some iconic teams like Mohun Bagan and East Bengal. There were, very good tournaments like the Durand Cup, the Santosh Trophy, and we saw some really good matches. And Novi Kapadia sir is a person who has covered everything right since the beginning of Indian football, and he has the way he has depicted those stories and experiences in that book is just incredible. And if I talk about his contribution towards Indian football, he is an iconic commentator who has covered 9 FIFA World Cups and so many Summer Olympic Games. And whenever we talk about football in India, there is only one person's name which resonates in everyone's mind, and that is Novi Kapadia sir. Because he has been a true inspiration. Any young football fan in this country who would like to know about the history of Indian football would definitely come across Novi sir's name, because every iconic moment, every match, any Kolkata derby between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal has been covered by Novi sir. And apart from the knowledge that he possesses about Indian football, he is a man of great wisdom, and just the heartfelt tributes and the testimonials which his students have shared about him is just so inspiring. And he is a professor of Khalsa College in Delhi, and all his students only have good things to say about him. His demeanor, his humility, and the wisdom that he possesses is something which not many people possess. And I'm sure that any one of you watching this video would feel the same about him. He has been a true revelation, a role model for young aspiring professionals who want to enter the sports industry in India. And I'm sure that if you were in touch with Novi sir, you would get the proper guidance, and you would also get to know what it takes to become a very good football commentator or a journalist. And after doing years of research about Indian football, for a reason he's called the encyclopedia of Indian football. And if we talk about so many developments that have taken place in a transitional way right since commercialization stepped into Indian football, Novi sir has covered most of these things, and he is also, I think, the founder of Ashoka FC in Delhi, one of the oldest clubs in Delhi. And every step of the way he has been in the forefront of promoting football. And he is a visionary, a person who has envisioned how the future of Indian football should look like. And definitely any Indian football fan who wants to see India compete at the world stage with the likes of good teams like Brazil and Argentina would should definitely hear what Novi sir has to say about India's chances. And definitely I would like to offer my heartfelt tribute and condolences to his family and his loved ones. Novi sir, you have inspired everyone, not only me, but people who have been associated with you. And long may your legacy continue. You have been a person who has inspired and will continue to inspire everyone because of the stories and memories that you have given all of us during your time. And may your soul rest in peace. I just wish that if you are hearing this, you would definitely be thanking everyone who has supported you. And also we are also so grateful to having you, and Indian football is thoroughly grateful for having you for your contribution towards the sport in this country. So guys, if you have any thoughts, if you want to share your expressions and emotions about your time with Novi sir, please drop it in the comment section. Once again, it is a very big news for Indian football, but time goes on, and every good story does come to an end. But definitely, what Novi sir has done for Indian football is unparalleled and unmatched. So please drop in your thoughts in the comment section about Novi sir's, your experiences with him, and all the sweet memories that you have had with him. And for regular updates from the world of football, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until next time, stay safe and take care.